Strap in, riders. It's time to roll into the countdown of the best electric bike picks that are turning commutes into adventures. From responsive motors to silent, smooth rides, this list hits the sweet spot for every type of rider, whether you're zipping through city streets or tackling weekend trails. Today, I'm going to be going over the best electric bike that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 10, we have Leonx EB26 Pro electric bike. Built for endurance and comfort, this model blends a sturdy aluminum frame with a tuned suspension setup that soaks up city chatter and light trail chatter alike. The powertrain is described by the maker as a high-capacity electric assist system designed to deliver steady torque across grades while preserving battery life for long weekends away from the charger. Sizable battery pack powers a rider-friendly display that shows speed, range, and assist level, while integrated lighting and a robust kickstand round out daily practicality. Cockpit favors a relaxed riding position, wide handlebars, and grippy controls, making it approachable for new riders and confident for veterans chasing all-day comfort. On pavement or light trails, the Leonx EB26 Pro electric bike makes long rides feel doable, thanks to predictable handling and smooth shifts. Range estimates point to up to about 85 miles on a sunny day with moderate assist and a lighter rider. With reliable disc brakes and puncture-resistant tires, it grips while coasting, stopping power remaining confident at speed. Compared to the 6000W Dual Motor Ebike, which I have included as number 9 on this list, this Leonx model prioritizes endurance, balance, and everyday usability over raw acceleration, appealing to riders who value confidence and reach over sheer thrill. At number 9, we have 6000W Dual Motor Ebike. Powerhouse built for speed and steep climbs, this machine leans into blistering acceleration with dual motors that channel torque to the front and rear wheels for exhilarating roll-ons from a stop. Frame geometry emphasizes stability at high speed and aggressive cadence, while a beefy battery supports rapid sprints and long-haul rides alike. The rider cockpit is beefed up with turbo-friendly displays, oversized grips, and aggressive saddle positioning that suits seasoned riders chasing performance. The braking system is tuned to handle the extra weight and energy, delivering confident stops while you ride through varying terrains. It's tuned for thrill, but that same torque can drain range quickly if you're not careful. Compared to the Amyet EB26 electric bike, which I have included as number 8 on this list, the 6000W Dual Motor Ebike outsprints in open space, yet demands more careful planning for day-long excursions. At number 8, we have Amyet EB26 electric bike. This compact mounting-capable rig brings a responsive front suspension and a confident absorber setup that soaks up rock gardens and urban potholes with grace. The EB26 employs a balanced frame, a capable mid-drive or hub option depending on trim, and tires tuned for grip without excessive rolling resistance. Reaching comfortable speeds on mixed terrain is a strength, while weight is kept moderate to ease mounting and transport. The ride is forgiving yet precise, with an intuitive throttle and pedal assist system that rewards efficient cadence. Compact display keeps you informed about battery health, range, and assistance. Compared to the EcoE electric bike, which I have included as number 7 on this list, the Amyet EB26 leans more toward nimble trail performance rather than pure commuting practicality. At number 7, we have EcoE electric bike. This entry centers on accessible urban riding, offering a practical balance of weight, efficiency, and feature set. The EcoE model emphasizes a smooth, predictable rider experience with simple assist modes, reliable components, and a chassis designed for daily use. Its folding capability or compact footprint helps it slot into crowded commutes, office storage, and weekend errands alike, while preserving enough power for moderate hills. The braking system and tires are tuned for confidence on city streets and light off-road paths. Compared to the electric compact folding Ebike, which I have included as number 6 on this list, the EcoE emphasizes plug-and-play convenience over multi-speed thrills. At number 6, we have electric compact folding Ebike. This compact commuter brings a lightweight aluminum frame and a foldable design that makes storage effortless and travel simple. The motor is efficient and tuned for urban duty, delivering smooth acceleration and predictable range, while the battery packs provide dependable endurance for daily rides. Its compact geometry contributes to a lower center of gravity, aiding balance at slow speeds and in crowded spaces. The ride quality benefits from modest suspension and quality tires that handle curb ramps and potholes without jarring the rider. Compared to the Funhang electric bike, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the folding variant shines in portability, while the latter leans into comfort and longer-range cruising. At number 5, we have Funhang electric bike. This model champions comfort and versatility with a roomy cockpit adjustable suspension, and a wide selection of assist levels that let you tailor the ride to your mood. It excels for all-day commuting, weekend explorations, and casual rides, offering a forgiving geometry and confidence-inspiring handling. The drivetrain delivers steady torque for hills and city streets, while a robust battery ensures you don't need to worry about mid-ride recharges. There's ample mounting space for racks and panniers, making it practical for groceries or a weekend getaway. Compared to the Fat Tire electric bike, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Funhang focuses more on everyday comfort than off-road bravado. At number 4, we have Fat Tire electric bike. This bold option leans into rugged road-ready credibility with wide tires, aggressive tread, and a suspension setup designed to absorb rough terrain. The powertrain emphasizes reliable hill-climbing ability and stable high-speed cruising over rutted surfaces, while the battery strives to offer respectable range for longer rides. Frame geometry supports aggressive leaning through corners and maintains balance at speed, aided by a confident brake system designed to manage momentum. The cockpit presents a straightforward display and easy-to-reach controls that keep you informed without distraction. Compared to the URLIFE electric bike, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the Fat Tire design prioritizes traction and durability on challenging ground over all-out urban efficiency. At number 3, we have URLIFE electric bike. This all-terrain performer blends versatility with approachable power, offering a balanced mix of pedal assist and throttle options for riders who crave flexibility. The chassis is tuned for stability as you traverse gravel, sand, and pavement, while the suspension smooths rough trails without compromising control. A capable battery and efficient drivetrain promote longer rides, and the display provides intuitive readouts that help you optimize range. Tires strike a middle ground between speed and grip, enabling confident handling across surfaces. Compared to the Fcgeoi electric bike, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the URLIFE model emphasizes steady versatility rather than concentrated city performance. At number 2, we have Fcgeoi electric bike. This sleek urban-orientated machine balances style with efficiency, delivering reliable acceleration and a comfortable ride at city speeds. The frame is designed for everyday commuting, with a compact profile that fits into elevators and storage spaces, while still providing adequate stiffness for confident cornering. The battery range supports daily errands and longer weekend rides, and the control system presents intuitive options for riders of all experience levels. A lightweight setup keeps total mass down, aiding maneuverability. Compared to the URLIFE electric bike, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the Fcgeoi emphasizes quick, city-friendly performance over rugged multi-terrain capability. At number 1, we have URLIFE electric bike. This top-ranked model blends dependable power with broad versatility, making it a standout choice for commuters, recreational riders, and curious explorers alike. The design emphasizes balanced weight distribution, stable handling, and a predictable ride quality across conditions. A capable battery and efficient motor create a long-range experience, while thoughtful geometry keeps rider fatigue low over extended sessions. User interface is clean and accessible, with ride modes that respond smoothly to input. The chassis accommodates everyday gear with practical storage options, ensuring you feel prepared on every journey. Compared to the Fcgeoi electric bike, which I have included as number 2 on this list, URLIFE's flagship leads with all-around reliability rather than single-scenario focus.